Why software engineers must know Drupal? Ever wondered why top developers rave about Drupal? Let's dive in and find out. Drupal has become a cornerstone in the software industry, lauded for its flexibility, security, and robust community support. Let's uncover what makes it so special. Drupal is a powerful content management system known for its versatility. Created by Dries Buytaert in 2001, it has evolved into a leading open-source platform. Its adaptability makes it suitable for everything from small blogs to large corporate websites. One of Drupal's key strengths is its open-source nature. This ensures continuous improvement and innovation from a global community of developers. Open source means no hefty licensing fees, making it an economical choice for businesses of all sizes. Drupal's modular framework allows for unparalleled customization. With thousands of modules available, developers can tailor websites to specific needs. This flexibility enables the creation of unique, feature-rich applications that stand out in a competitive digital landscape. The fact that Drupal is open source brings numerous benefits. It fosters a culture of collaboration and transparency, leading to rapid development cycles. Businesses can leverage this community-driven approach to stay ahead of the curve with cutting-edge features and security updates. Drupal stands out with its robust security measures, ensuring that your website remains protected against threats. Regular security updates and a dedicated team of experts continuously monitor and enhance Drupal's defenses, making it a reliable choice for secure web development. Drupal's scalability is a key advantage, allowing it to efficiently handle everything from small personal blogs to large-scale enterprise applications. Its architecture supports growth, ensuring that as your website's needs expand, Drupal can adapt and maintain performance. The vibrant and supportive Drupal community is a major asset. With thousands of active contributors, the community provides extensive documentation, forums, and real-time support, ensuring that developers have access to resources and assistance whenever needed. Working with Drupal significantly enhances your programming skills. Its modularity and advanced features require a deeper understanding of web development concepts, pushing developers to learn and grow, ultimately making them more adept and versatile in their craft. The demand for Drupal developers in the job market is high. Companies across various industries seek skilled Drupal professionals to build and maintain their websites, offering numerous opportunities for career advancement and competitive salaries. Drupal seamlessly integrates with numerous technologies and platforms, making it a versatile choice for developers. Its compatibility with APIs, CRMs, and e-commerce solutions allows for a cohesive digital ecosystem, ensuring that your website interacts smoothly with other tools and services. Drupal's content management features are robust and user-friendly, allowing for easy creation, editing, and organization of content. Its intuitive interface simplifies complex tasks, enabling content creators to focus on producing high-quality material without getting bogged down in technical details. Built with SEO in mind, Drupal offers powerful tools to optimize your site for search engines. From customizable URL structures to meta tag management, it provides everything needed to enhance visibility and improve search engine rankings, driving more traffic to your site. Performance optimization is a key strength of Drupal. With built-in caching mechanisms, database optimization tools, and advanced performance monitoring, it ensures fast load times and efficient resource usage, delivering a seamless user experience even during peak traffic periods. Drupal's API-first approach makes it an excellent choice for headless CMS solutions. This architecture allows developers to decouple the front end and back end, providing greater flexibility in delivering content across multiple channels and devices while maintaining a unified management system. Several prominent organizations rely on Drupal's capabilities. For example, the University of Oxford and The Economist use Drupal to manage their extensive content and engage users effectively. These case studies highlight Drupal's versatility and reliability for high-performance websites. Despite its robust features, Drupal does have a learning curve. Thankfully, a wealth of resources is available, including official documentation, community forums, and online courses. Committing to learning Drupal can yield significant long-term benefits for developers. Comparing Drupal with other CMS platforms like WordPress and Joomla reveals its unique strengths. Unlike WordPress, Drupal offers advanced customization and scalability. Joomla provides flexibility, but Drupal excels in security and enterprise-level applications, making it a preferred choice for complex projects. Cost efficiency is another significant advantage of Drupal. As an open-source platform, it eliminates licensing fees, reducing overall project costs. Its scalability and customization features further ensure that businesses get maximum value without compromising on quality or performance. The future of Drupal looks promising, with ongoing developments and updates. The platform continues to evolve, incorporating cutting-edge technologies to meet modern web development demands. Staying updated with these advancements can keep developers ahead in the competitive landscape. When I first began using Drupal, I was amazed by its flexibility and powerful features. The community support was incredible, and I quickly found solutions to my challenges. It wasn't long before I saw significant improvements in my development skills. Ready to elevate your development skills? Start exploring Drupal today and join a community of innovative engineers. The opportunities are endless, and the knowledge you'll gain is invaluable. Dive into Drupal and transform your projects with unmatched customization and scalability.